Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You already have your sheet open, so start by highlighting the exact column or range you want to dedupe. Skip the header row. Once selected, click a blank cell and type equals unique range using the range you just highlighted. This instantly returns distinct entries because unique reads each cell once. It's fast and non-destructive. If you want ordering, wrap it. Equals sort, unique range. Make sure the destination has room for results, so values don't spill into occupied cells. Once you have the basic unique result, refine it by removing blanks and normalizing text so duplicates aren't masked by spaces or case. For blanks, use unique, filter, range, len range. To dedupe across multiple columns, combine them with array formula like unique array formula, A2 and B2 B, and then split if needed. Make sure to wrap values with trim and lower or upper to standardize entries. This prevents subtle mismatches. If you need counts, pair unique with count. To finalize, convert the formula output to static values. Copy the unique results and paste special right arrow values only so they won't change. Once done, make sure to set a named or dynamic range, A2, A if new rows will be added. For advanced needs, use query, or sort with multiple keys. If you hit #ref, blanks or wrong counts, check that your ranges match, headers are excluded, and array formula dimensions align. Trimming spaces usually fixes most mismatch problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.